everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to Nailmas Day 6. Today we are using a new KB Shimmer polish from their most recent holiday collection, which was called Love at Frost Sight. This is the shade called the Baking Spirits Bright. It is like the ultimate Christmas crelly with that creamy white milky sort of base, and then we've got a mixture of red and green glitters in it. It is so much fun and so Christmassy. So I've put on 2 coats of that. I have let that dry, and then I'm going in with my What's Up nails brush in the Dance 24 size, and I am using some relic acrylic paint to kind of create some lines very similar to what you would do to create either a snowflake or a daisy, but I did a 3 in the corner of my nail. And then I'm using my largest dotting tool and I'm putting big red dots at the top of those. The kind of inspiration behind this is not actually a snowflake. It's more of like the vintagey Christmas ornaments that are also kind of like a retro Christmas. I feel like I was looking at a lot of like gingerbread houses and I came across like this whole slew of retro looking ones on Pinterest, and they just kind of sparked my inspiration, and I love that whole kind of fun take on Christmas. So that's what we were going for here. I then did the same thing with an evergreen acrylic paint, and I just did a smaller version of the same thing in the other corner of my nail. And then I'm going to go in with some white acrylic paint, put in a few like little star shapes that you would doodle onto a notebook page or something. No major details at all. And then I also did a few dots here and there to kind of fill in any extra negative space. And that was it for this design. I did this on all of my nails, as you guys are going to see in the final photos. And I let it dry, put on a shiny top coat, but of course matte would look super cute too. And then you are good to go. You have a super fun festive manicure, and it just feels like so Christmassy because it is, you know, red, green, and white. It just feels so fun and festive. So that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this manicure. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching day 6 of Nailmas. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!